Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut this wire. What we want to try and do is just get a little bit of the wire exposed. Just like that. Okay, so these two wires, twist them together, then we solder them. Nice solder like that. Okay, so I've just pushed the wire into that hole there. Just going to turn that over like that, end it, so we get a nice join, some heat in there. And a nice shiny bit of solder on there, lovely. Okay, one side done, second side. Twist them together, heat in there. Easy peasy. And now this one. Same deal. Sometimes you can just split this little bit at the eye, you know, if you want to get it in there. It's a bit big, just give it a wee bit of a wrestle open, because once the solder goes on there, it makes the joint very strong. So that's just holding there nicely. Okay. Rightio. Done. That's what we're doing now. It's just going to make sure it's going to sit in the right spot, and nothing's going to interfere with the workings of the gun. So we may have to bend these a little bit, get them straight. Obviously you don't want them to touch, so Okay, so trigger back in. So the idea here is to work out where you want the trigger to be at the part where it connects onto the switch. So that's the bit that you have to work out for yourself where you'd like that to be. So for me, I reckon about there. So you pull it, you don't have to pull it very much to shoot. That would be about where I think it would be good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just, you can either Dremel it out or you can just get a little bit of pliers and just break out a little bit of that plastic just there so that the wires go down a bit sort of lower and flush. Because remembering we're going to hot glue this so that it's, when it's in position, it's in position. And I say that that's pretty much in position there now. So we're going to hot glue it. So I'm going to get underneath in there, lift it up, get the glue in, push it back down in. Now before the glue sets, I'm going to give it another try, make sure we're in the right spot. Probably not. Okay, so we'll let that dry and then we'll put it all back together.